Introduction. Welcome to this session on getting started with trading platforms. In this module, we'll explore the essential tools and platforms that allow you to execute trades, monitor markets, and analyze your positions. Whether you're a beginner or transitioning from demo to live trading, understanding how to use trading platforms effectively is key to your success. Trading platforms are your gateway to the financial markets. They provide access to stocks, Forex, and cryptocurrencies, offering tools to execute trades, set alerts, and manage risk. Today, we'll focus on popular platforms, how to set up your account, and key features every trader should know. 1. What are trading platforms? Trading platforms are software applications or online tools that connect traders to the financial markets. They enable you to place orders, buy and sell assets like stocks, currencies, or crypto. Monitor markets, view real-time price data and market trends. Analyze performance. Use charts and indicators to evaluate your trading strategies. There are two main types of platforms: broker platforms, provided by brokerage firms like Robinhood or Fidelity. These are beginner-friendly and often focus on simplicity. Professional platforms, advanced tools like MetaTrader or thinkorswim, offer extensive features for experienced traders. Choosing the right platform depends on your trading goals, preferred markets, and level of experience. 2. Popular trading platforms. Let's explore 3 popular platforms to give you an idea of their features. Robinhood. Perfect for beginners. Simple interface for trading stocks and cryptocurrencies. Commission-free trading, making it accessible to those starting with small accounts. MetaTrader. A favorite among Forex traders. Offers advanced features like custom indicators, algorithmic trading, and risk management tools. MetaTrader 4, MT4, is great for beginners, while MetaTrader 5, MT5, is designed for advanced traders. Binance, popular for cryptocurrency trading, supports a wide range of digital assets with tools for spot trading, futures, and staking. Offers features like stop-loss orders and price alerts. Each platform has unique strengths, and it's important to choose one that aligns with your trading style and goals. 3. Setting up your account. To start trading, you need to set up an account. Here's how. Choose your platform. Select one that matches your market of interest, whether it's stocks, Forex, or crypto. Create an account. Provide your details, including name, email, and a secure password. Some platforms require identity verification for regulatory compliance. Set up a demo account. Before trading live, practice with virtual funds to familiarize yourself with the platform. Customize your dashboard. Add watch lists, set up notifications, and organize your trading interface to suit your needs. Starting with a demo account is essential for beginners. It helps you gain confidence and avoid costly mistakes in live markets. 4. Key features of trading platforms. Let's look at the essential features you'll use on trading platforms. Charts and technical tools. Access price charts to monitor market trends. Use tools like moving averages, RSI, and Fibonacci retracements for analysis. Order types. Market orders. Execute trades instantly at the current price. Limit orders. Set a specific price for your trade to be executed. Stop loss and take profit. Manage risk by automating your exits. Watch lists and alerts. Track your favorite assets by creating watch lists. Set price alerts to notify you when an asset hits a specific level. News and insights. Many platforms integrate real-time news feeds. Stay informed about market events that could affect your trades. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will make your trading experience more efficient and enjoyable. Conclusion. Trading platforms are the backbone of your trading journey, connecting you to the financial markets and providing the tools you need to succeed. Whether you're exploring beginner-friendly platforms like Robinhood or advanced tools like MetaTrader, the key is to practice and understand the features that align with your trading goals. Remember, setting up a demo account is an invaluable first step. Use it to explore platform features, test strategies, and build confidence before transitioning to live trading. As you progress, continue learning and adapting your approach to make the most of your trading platform. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next session.